My name is Joost Groen. I'm a patient advocate and I'm active as a volunteer for a patient organization called the Sarcoma Patient Platform. And I run my own company, which is called Sidewise, which is in patient empowerment. I started my company a couple of years ago. Unfortunately, after I became a cancer patient, I became active as a volunteer and find that so intriguing and beautiful work. So I decided to start my own company and devote the remainder of my working life to patient empowerment in primarily research. I have a background in fluid dynamics, so I've got a scientific background from Delft and experience as a patient, and I'd like to combine these two features in bridging the gap between research and patients. Oh, my presentation is actually quite simple. I hear all around me people are talking a lot about patients, and they sort of implicitly say that they understand what patients are thinking. Quite generally they don't, to be honest. So my message is quite clear. If you want to know what patients are thinking, ask them. Don't talk about patients, talk with them. I'm not sure about pharma, to be honest, but what I really hope is that there will be more patient or individual or oriented medication available, for instance, based on whole genome sequencing. There are already quite some nice research programs going on, but there's so much already out there which might be applied to different types of diseases. And we really hope that there will be more room in terms of regulations, in terms of readiness from companies to devote some energy to. And there's just so many different diseases, and we get to know so much more about all the differences between the diseases that I think there's still a lot of low-hanging fruits from the pharmaceutical side that we can harvest, as it were, which is still being done. I'm actually very happy that the patient perspective is being included in this conference. There's a lot of manufacturing, which makes my old engineering heart beat because I have a background in engineering. I think there's a lot of people working on sustainability and also on making packages better suited, as it were, for patients. And I was very happy with the discussion this morning, and I'm really hoping to add the patient perspective to one of the sessions this afternoon. And I would really hope that maybe in the upcoming years there will be more patients on the stage of conferences like these. But I'm very happy to be here. I was invited, and it's absolutely worth the effort.